Today I'm going to teach you a game that we call Up in Arms, and I guarantee this one is good for laughs. You are going to need at least 2 players. I happen to have 4, so if I can have Terry, Tanner, and Jason join me on stage. Here's how this one works. 2 of us are the speaking players, but we don't get to use our own arms. Our arms will be provided by, today, our children. All right, and they will do all the actions for us. We will speak the words. Are you ready? We've decided our scenario is 2 parents who are having some midnight snacks after the kids have gone to bed. Are you ready? Okay, let's Okay, the kids are asleep. I busted out all the snacks they can't have during the day.
Yum.
Yeah, I want a Cheeto.
Oh, those look good. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Oh yeah. Oh, more of that.
You know,
yeah.
the only thing about Cheetos, here, yeah.
They get a little dry.
No.
We might want some watermelon.
Well, it's also, you know, the orange gets on my fingers, and I just gotta lick my fingers.
I like this diet. I don't like doing that. Yeah. How about some watermelon to wash it down, maybe?
Yeah. Oh yeah, go ahead, have some watermelon. Yeah, I think you should totally.
Definitely watermelon.
Yeah. And you need some healthy food that's got fiber. That's great. Oh, me too. I don't want that.
Oh, that's good.
I'm gonna wash that down.
Oh, here, have some of my watermelon. Here you go. Let's have some of yours too.
You know, I want I need a napkin right now.
Well, that's gonna be nice.
Yep. All right.
Oh yeah. That's good.
This is date night. I feel like I should have gotten a little pretty for you. Maybe I'll put some lipstick on.
Oh, while you're doing that, I'm gonna have a cupcake.
Oh, please do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let me peel this wrapper off very gently.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna get all pretty for you.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So good. Oh, nice.
Excellent.
That's beautiful.
Now, you know what? You're right. I am thirsty. I'm gonna have a little. I'm parched. So parched. There you go.
Wash it down.
Yeah, I feel much better now.
Yep. Oh yeah.
But did I tell you? There's nothing better than whipped cream on an Oreo.
Oh
yes.
Oh yes. Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
I think you should try it though. I was thinking you. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you.
But I like to shoot it right in my mouth first.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
All right. Excellent. Go for it.
Oh,
what a bummer. Good stuff.
I think this is a malfunctioning can we got here.
Put it on your Oreo. There it is.
All right.
There you go.
I think that'll work.
I think you got the idea. As we said, 15 laps. Maybe a big mess. I hope you enjoy playing Up in Arms, and I hope you'll join us for more family fun soon. Thanks, guys. That was delightful. You know what you need is a tough cake. There we go. Thanks.
It's the best day.